Welcome to the definitive guide on the best cash-back business credit cards in the year 2026, where we are going to strip away the complexity of travel miles and hotel points to focus on the one thing that every business owner understands perfectly, which is cold hard cash in an economic environment where margins are tight and operational costs are rising. Having a strategy to earn liquid returns on your spending is not just a perk. It is a necessary survival tactic. While flying first class is nice, sometimes you just need money back in your bank account to make payroll, buy inventory, or reinvest in marketing. And that is exactly what these cards deliver. The undisputed king of this category remains the Chase Ink Business Cash Card. This card is a legend in the industry for a very specific reason. It offers a massive 5% cash back on the first $25,000 spent in combined purchases at office supply stores and on internet, cable, and phone services each account anniversary year. This 5% return is unheard of in the modern credit card market, where most cards struggle to give you 2%. If you maximize this $25,000 cap, you are looking at $1,250 in free cash back every single year, just for paying bills you were going to pay anyway. But the secret power of the Ink Business Cash in 2026 lies in how you define office supply stores. It is not just about buying paper, toner, and staplers. Most major office supply retailers sell gift cards for other merchants like Amazon, Home Depot, Airden, and even grocery stores. By walking into an office supply store and purchasing these third-party gift cards with your Ink Business Cash, you are effectively earning 5% cash back on your Amazon purchases, your construction materials, and your travel. This strategy is known as the office supply hack, and it is the primary reason why savvy business owners refuse to let this card go. Additionally, the Ink Cash has no annual fee, meaning it costs you absolutely nothing to keep this powerhouse in your wallet, creating a pure profit center for your business. However, the Ink Cash is not the only player in the game, and for businesses that spend well beyond the $25,000 cap, we need to look at unlimited cash back options. This brings us to the American Express Blue Business Cash Card, which acts as the perfect complement to your strategy. This card offers 2% cash back on all eligible purchases on up to $50,000 per calendar year, then 1% thereafter. The beauty of the Amex Blue Business Cash is its simplicity. There are no categories to track, no gift cards to buy, and no mental energy required. You simply swipe the card for your general expenses like insurance, taxis, and legal fees, and you automatically get 2% credited back to your statement. This automatic redemption is a key feature for busy entrepreneurs because, unlike Chase, where you have to log in and redeem your points for cash, Amex simply lowers your bill automatically, helping your cash flow without you lifting a finger. For businesses that have grown into larger operations with significantly higher spend, the Capital One Spark Cash Plus is the heavyweight contender you must consider in 2026. This is a charge card, not a credit card, which means it has no preset spending limit, but must be paid in full every month. The Spark Cash Plus offers an unlimited 2% cash back on every single purchase, with no caps whatsoever. Whether you spend $100,000 or $10 million, you are earning 2% on every dime. While it does come with a $150 annual fee, Capital One often refunds this fee if you spend $150,000 in a year, effectively making it free for high rollers. This card is the ultimate tool for businesses with thin margins that rely on volume, such as dropshippers or wholesalers, because that 2% rebate can sometimes double your net profit margin on a transaction. Now let us talk about the Bank of America ecosystem, which is often overlooked but is actually the most lucrative option for businesses with cash reserves if you are a member of the Bank of America Preferred Rewards program, specifically at the Platinum Honors tier, which requires you to hold $100,000 or more in deposits with Bank of America or Merrill. Your credit card rewards get a multiplier boost of 75%. This turns the Bank of America Business Advantage Unlimited Cash Rewards card from a simple 1.5% card into a massive 2.62% cash back card on every purchase. Earning 2.62% on unlimited spend is mathematically the best return for general spending available in the market in 2026, beating out both Amex and Capital One. If your business keeps a healthy cash buffer for payroll or taxis, moving that money to Bank of America to unlock this tier is a no-brainer financial decision. Another strong contender for specific categories is the U.S. Bank Business Triple Cash Rewards World Elite MasterCard. This card has no annual fee and offers 3% cash back on gas stations and electric vehicle charging stations, office supply stores, cell phone service providers, and restaurants, while the 3% on office supplies is lower than Chase is 5%. The 3% on gas and dining makes it a versatile card for businesses with a fleet of vehicles or for owners who constantly meet clients over lunch. Additionally, U.S. Bank offers a $100 annual software credit for recurring software subscriptions like QuickBooks or FreshBooks, which essentially pays you to hold the card. Let us discuss the strategy of stacking these cards. Because in 2026 you should never rely on just one, the optimal cash back setup involves a trifecta. You use the Chase Ink Business Cash strictly for your internet, phone, and office supply store runs to maximize the 5% cap. You use the U.S. Bank Triple Cash for your gas and client dinners to get 3%, and then you use the Bank of America Business Advantage or the Capital One Spot Cash Plus for everything else to catch the non-category spend at a rate of 2% or higher. This system ensures that you are never earning a measly 1% on anything. Every time you tap your card, you are getting a significant rebate. We also need to address the sign-up bonuses, which are a huge part of the cash back equation. In 2026, the Chase Ink Cash and Income Limited are consistently offering bonuses of $750 to $900 cash back after spending $6,000 in the first 3 months. This is a massive influx of cash that can fund a new marketing campaign or buy a new laptop. Capital One often has even larger bonuses for the Spot Cash Plus, sometimes reaching up to $2,000 or $3,000 for very high spend tiers. Churning these bonuses or systematically opening new cards to capture these offers is a legitimate way to increase your annual revenue. Another important factor is the speed of access to your cash. With American Express, the cash back is automatic. With Capital One, you can redeem it anytime, and with Chase, you can actually take your cash back rewards and transfer them to travel partners if you also hold a premium card like the Sapphire Reserve. This gives you the option to switch from cash back to travel rewards later if your goals change, which provides incredible flexibility. However, if we stick strictly to cash back, we must also warn you about the tax implications. Generally, credit card rewards are considered a rebate on spending and not taxable income, which is great news, but you should always consult your accountant to be sure. Using cash back cards also simplifies your bookkeeping compared to points, because $1 is always $1, whereas points fluctuate in value. This stability